So this is what happens when a hose bib doesn't get taken off of the hose. It broke and sprayed all over the side of our office. And it's super thick, so he's gonna take care of it.
Take care of it.
Because I don't want it to break my window or and our those are big icebergs. I about broke your saw. Glad it didn't break my window.
So, yeah, the main thing is it's kind of like cutting a tree in a way, only you don't have an undercut. I cut this at an angle like that, this straight through, so that when it came down, this kicked out and then ended up here on the ground instead of through the window. This is actually pretty thick. It was actually all the way, well, you can see how far back this was, so back for quite a ways. So now I'm going to go ahead and clear this, probably go ahead and cut this down again, and then this can just melt. It'll be all right. Main thing is to get the weight off of this so it wouldn't come down, pull it out of the house, or fall back through the window. So anyway, here we go.
Fell off. A lot of water.
Big mess hanging there from the awning and up against the house, could do damage, and now it's all cut away.